All right, Cristiano, are you ready for the secret sound?
Yeah.
I'm going to give you lip, like, lend, little. You want to hold it now? Lip, point to lip.
Lip.
Like.
Like.
Lend.
Lend.
Little.
Little.
Can you find the secret sound? Lip, like, lend, little.
The O.
What letter?
The letter O.
The letter O? What letters do I have underlined?
What? Nana, it's this one.
Oh, that's L. Can you say L?
L.
And did I draw a capital L or a lowercase L?
A lowercase L.
Very good. High five. So, what is the secret sound we just learned?
The O.
What was the letter? What was the secret sound?
The O.
No, not O. This is O, honey.
O.
What's this letter?
O.
L. L. Say la, la, la. Yeah, like lick ice cream. So what was the secret letter?
I start with ice cream.
The letter I does start with ice cream, but in ice cream you lick. Lick.
Like that letter I.
Okay, point to your lip. Where's your lip? Very good. Now what is the secret sound? They all started with what letter? What?
We start with the letter O.
The letter O. Little. Where's L on there? Show me L on the wall.
I come out in the letter one.
Very good.
O.
Now
Get the O out.
L.
L.
We have lip, like, lend, little. All right. Now.
L on here.
No, don't break those out. Come on now. Put a lot of work in there.
Oh.
All right.
Oh.
Okay, fine. You can leave it on here. What letter did we start with? What was the secret sound?
What did it do? Hey, didn't know that.
Oh, you're so cute.
It's a different video.
A different video of what?
A different one.
Is this an educational video?
A different.
About secret sounds?
Yeah.
All right.
It's a K-12 video.
K-12 video. Very good.
It K-12 video up to the one.
Very good, son.
Daddy. I'm the daddy.
All right, anything you want to say before I get done with the video?
It's a different video.
All right.